I know how to do voice impersonations, and I know how to do Siri. A few people are saying that it's fake, that I did a lip sync, but that's not true. Let me take you out real quick. Just to let y'all know, you feel me, that there's nobody around me. There's no other phone. I'm in my little sister's room and shit on the bottom bunk. Hello. Thank you for calling. I'm sorry, but the person you were trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Goodbye. For English, please press 1. Para español, marque dos. Please stay on the line. For quality purposes, your call may be monitored or recorded. Thank you. Goodbye. Starting route to 3730 Songbird Circle. In 900 feet, your destination is on the right. Arrived.
Where I got a mouthful of gold, I have straight teeth. I go to the dentist every 6 months roughly, but don't play with me.
Starting route to Pappas Restaurant and Sports Bar.
Starting route to Pappas Restaurant and Sports Bar. Head northeast.
Then turn right on.
Then turn right. Thank you. Goodbye. Hello. I'm sorry. But listen, a lot of people are saying that it's not me. Like, I literally only do that shit when I'm drunk. Like last night, let me tell you what happened real quick. We're sitting at the table, we're playing a drinking game. I don't even know what made me say that shit, but I literally said it, and then one of my friends recorded it.